Hello and welcome back to the shop. We're still in the middle of our 30-day paint and body challenge. And for those of you who don't know, what I typically do is come out here and put in anywhere from 8 to 18 hours. And no, that is not a misspeak. I do and I have put in 18-hour days during this process. Your time schedule and availability may differ greatly, and that's okay. Put in the time you can when you can. Usually on average, when I'm putting in any kind of workday, I end up with about 3 hours worth of footage. That gets whittled down into 8 to 12 minutes. Now, there are some of you who would prefer me to upload every bit of second of everything that I've recorded, but I not only have to worry about pleasing you guys, the audience, I have to worry about the almighty YouTube algorithm. I think if I posted a 3-hour video that the algorithm would suffer because you guys would not sit through a 3-hour video of watching me walk around the shop picking up stuff. So inevitably some stuff gets left out, and sometimes you guys question my approach to certain things in the comments, and that's okay too. So today, that's what this video is all about. Is giving you guys a little bit of bonus footage, maybe not explaining everything completely, and I'm sorry for that. Sometimes I can, sometimes I don't. There were a few of you who were worried about the body panel lines lining up. Now, I can assure you that I line the body panels up before I start shaping them, okay? So that's pretty basic, and I realize that I may have left that out in a previous video, but yes, before you start shaping a panel, you want to make sure the lines match up. So I do tape those, I do mark those, I hang them in their respective spots, and I get them close, and then we shape the panel accordingly. But most of the shaping happens in 36 to 80 grit. Once you start blocking out with 180 to 320, you're not so much shaping the panel anymore. You have the ability to at that grit, but you're not so much shaping the panel as you are removing some of the orange peel or the wave, or making that filler perfectly flat. So I just wanted to clarify that one thing that caught my attention in the comments below. So if you have any questions about what we're doing today, be sure to drop them in the comments below. That's all I'm gonna talk about in this intro. If you like this stuff, you know what to do. Click that thumbs up. If questions, leave a comment below. We're running a crazy good special right now. If you haven't heard subscription-based content, it's amazing. This channel, you guys are incredible. So I'm giving this away for free right now. Now, the price may go up in the future, so you want to get on this as soon as you possibly can. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we're going to get busy with this bonus footage. Hope you guys enjoy.